Hi, today I'm going to show you how to change background in WPS Spreadsheet. If you want to do it, first you need to go to Page Layout Settings, and now you need to open here Background option. Background option will let you to choose a picture for your background and add some personality to your worksheet. So I click Background option, and now I need to select one from available files. So for example, I go to Desktop, and here I have two pictures. So for example, I select here the first one file, and then I click open. After that, this picture will be set as background in WPS Spreadsheet. So it is a really helpful option if you want to set the image as a background. If you want to delete this background, you can click on delete background option, and then you will go back to the previous settings. And of course, if you want to have only one color on the spreadsheet, you can go to background settings, and here I have image where everything is gray. Yes? So I select this image and I click open. And now my background is set to gray. So in this way you can easily change the background in WPS Spreadsheet. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.